what's up? I'm here. Yeah. Um, it's just a video. It's not gonna be a long one. I will put it up on YouTube. Uh, yeah. Came find my friend. It's like, what the fuck? Yeah. Um, I have to make more videos, I guess. Um, I would have to make like freaking. This is. I have 4 videos. This will be the 5th one. And I need like 30 more, and I'm good. Yeah. This is a YouTube video. It's like dark outside. Like, fucking. This video is gonna be. It's gonna be split into 2 parts. Because one, I'm gonna put, my biz, and then the other side is gonna be fireworks only. Maybe more, but yeah, it's whatever. Yeah, it's whatever. Yeah, it's whatever. Yeah. I'm glad it's not pointing the other way because that's not a good thing. Sorry about the background, like the speaker thing. Yeah. Can't find Kirkland here, and it's like a bitch. Sorry, I cuss a lot, and it's just gonna be the same thing. Like, what the fuck? Yeah. The account that is on right now is Kirkland's account for the supercar. Right now, I would say he's like, I don't know,